Hey guys, what's going on? It's Eric with JC Suite. Today we're going to be talking about how to change the text on any of your web pages in your WordPress website. So if you're on your website, you're going to notice there's a lot of text. It's going to be talking about your products, your information, depending on the type of your website, just the different information for your customers and for Google to know who you are and what you do. So if we go into the back end of your website, there's two ways to get to there. You can either go up to the top once you're logged in, click dashboard, or you can go to edit the page if you're already on it in the front end of your website, which is what everyone normally sees. So for now, I'm going to go to the dashboard method. And for those of you who have seen our other videos, you're going to be familiar with this screen and notice that you've got your posts to the side, you've got your media, you've got your forms, and now if you scroll down, we're going to go to pages this time. So when you click pages, it's going to pop up all the different pages that you have both showing and also as drafts. Drafts means that your customers cannot access these. They're not showing up on the front of your WordPress website, but they are in the back right now. So you can flip those on and off, which I can also show you how to do in one of our other tutorials. So for today, we are going to be changing, again, the wording on one of our pages. So what we want to do is pick a page that we want to change the wording on. Let's go to what we do. Now, give it a second to load. So we are using the Site Origin Editor on this website, which you likely have on your website as well. Inside this actual WYSIWYG editor, you're going to notice it's got these boxes. Under these boxes are called rows. So everything is built on the rows, and then inside each of those rows, you can add different columns, and you can add totally different widgets in there. So you can add picture galleries, you can add text. In this case, it looks like we were using text. We will touch more on those and other ones, but if you already have a page that has some text in it, this is going to be how we edit it. So keep in mind, this button up here will always show you what things look like. So if you click preview changes, we can see, all right, so kind of how it looked on the back end of things. Notice the box, 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 box with text, box, 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 text. So it's very straightforward, it's very visual, it's easy enough. So when you want to change the text, you're going to click edit. It's going to bring you into another WYSIWYG page. Now, if it ever looks like this, don't stress out. This is the text version of it. So it's showing all the HTML and the coding side of things. All you got to do is click the visual button, and there we go. It's back to normal words. So this is what they were talking about here. Let's just say we want to change this to, we now also sell cheeseburgers. So I understand that this company definitely does not sell cheeseburgers, but again, using the WYSIWYG editor is pretty simple. You can add a bulleted list. So cheese, burger, patties, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Perfect. So whenever you add text right there, you can also add photos if you like. So you can click the add media button, and it'll bring you to that media page, which we've talked about. You can add whatever photos you'd like to, and that'll be inserted right into that text. All right, so whenever you chose what you wanted to type and it looks good to you, you're just gonna click done. And then you can preview changes, load up that other page quick, and you can see that it's changed the text on your page. And that's as simple as it is. If you guys have any questions about changing text on your WordPress website, or also anything involving your WordPress website, please contact us using the link below. Thank you.